Good morning, dear students. Once again, I welcome you in Bishop Academy online classes. For the student of class 10th, we get discussed over the remaining portion of the second topic of second chapter of political science, which is federalism. So here we have to get discussed over the essentials of federal government. Among them, the very first thing is geographical contiguity. Means geographically, if a country get united with various states, then it is possible to form a country. As in history, you study the concept of Garibaldi in Italy, and same type of concept has been given by Chanakya in India. Second, desire for union based on common interest. If the people have interest to frame a huge political unit, then the federation could get success. Similarity of social and political institutions could also be helpful in strengthening federal government. And at last, adequate economic resources. For running federal government, a lot of wealth is also essential. Means to say, here you find that there are two levels of government. That's why more and more funds are essential. Advantage of federation, among them the very first is it reconciles national unity with advantage of federation. So advantage क्या है इसके? It reconciles national unity with regional autonomy. Means it preserve both regional diversity along with it national unity, which both these terms are what is called controversial with each other, but in federation these things could be possible, which come to be known as dual objective of federation. Next, it provides a safeguard against powerful neighbors. As countries or small states united together and frame a large federation, so no other state or country be capable of challenging the authority of that countries. Along with it, it is economically advantageous because the shifting of goods and people become quite easy in a federation. Next, it enhances international prestige. As the country is huge and the people live together and having political stability, that's why they get prestige in international platform. Along with it, it leads to efficient administration. There are two levels of government. That's why there is a very little chance of mistakes. Even it stimulates people's interest. As there are two governments, that's why people have more opportunities to contact with government, and that's why their interest could be fulfilled. Along with it, local affairs properly looked after. As in federation, more importance has been given to state government, and that's why state government know the need and desire of the local people very clearly. That's why they could perform as per the will of people, and that's why people get benefited with it. Next topic is disadvantage of federation. So here you find the federal government is a weak government, as if the state government do not provide their full support to the union government, then certainly union government do not took proper action, and that's why on international platform this dispute become a curse for a federal country. Second, it leads to diversity. It leads to diversity, and this diversity in legislation and administration. So this diversity in administration and legislation make frustration among or confusion among the executive personnels. Along with it, fear of disintegration, which always remains with this federation, means states always rebel against the federal government. Even it is the wastage of time and energy, because we find in most of the cases the state government and central government remain in clash with each other. Now we have to know about the advantage of decentralization. As you find in federal government, decentralization get practiced. So in India you find that decentralization adopted in 1992. From there Panchayati Raj bodies come into existence. Here you find local people know the local problem very better way, because they are the native of that particular area. Second, direct participation of the people. In this way, that is, in decentralization, people also become the part of government, and that's why it is strengthened what? Foundation of democracy. Next, it is sharing the burden of the central and the state government. Most of the work has been transferred to local government, that was state government and central government provide more care to their administrative and legislative aspects of governance. Next, it is convenient and economical. Most of the resources could not be what you call abrupting due to local government, that the desire and things of the people could be fulfilled from the locality. That's why a lot of things that is destroyed or misused while transferring the things from one place to other place could be saved with local administration or decentralization. Important features of the Panchayati Raj. Here you have to know, it is very important. All level Panchayati Raj bodies are directly elected by people. In India you find that there are 3 tiers of Panchayati Raj body, that are Jila Parishad, Panchayat Samiti and Village Panchayat. Along with it, it is constitutionally mandatory to hold regular election after every 5 years to local government body. Third, fresh election must be held within 6 months after dissolution of a local government body. Fourth is, seats are reserved in all these election bodies for SC, ST, OBC and females. State Election Commission conduct panchayat and municipal elections. It is the responsibility in every state, a particular autonomous organization which come to be known as State Election Commission formed. Next, 29 subjects of the state list have been transferred to the Panchayati Raj institution as per 11th schedule of the constitution. 7th point, the state government are required to share some powers and revenue with local government bodies so that they could perform their duties and meet their responsibilities. Along with it, a state financial commission examines every 5 years the financial position of the local government in the state, how much capable these local governments are in performing their duties. Now you have to know about the rural local bodies. Here you find that the very first on the bottom level is village panchayat, which is consist of 2 organizations, that is Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. Gram Sabha consists of all the adults, male and female, having more than 18 years of age are member of this Gram Sabha, but in Gram Panchayat only elected and selected persons could be participate. In Gram Panchayat, village Gram Pradhan and ward members, which has been come to be known as Panchayat Sadasya and Panchayat Secretary and Lekhpal, various other personnel of village level are part of this village Gram Panchayat. On the second level of the governance in Panchayati Raj bodies are Block Samiti, which also come to be known as Panchayat Samiti, in which elected representatives from all villages decided their one representative, which come to be known as Block Pramukh, which is decided you can say elected indirectly by the elected members from the village. In the same way, there is third tier of Jila Parishad. In it, Jila Panchayat Sadasya, get elected by directly with the people, and these elected persons elect Jila Parishad. In urban local bodies, you find that there are Nagar Panchayat, which come to known as town area, like in your local level, Sisma Bazar, Nichlol, Chowk, etc. Chowk, which is latestly formed as the town area. Nagar Palika, that is municipality, Maharajganj, Kanpur rural, etc. are considered under Nagar Palika, and even you find that Nagar Nigam or municipal corporation, all the metro cities and the big cities are kept under this category. Now you have to know about the problems of local government. In local government, the very first problem is lack of legal education. Most of the persons which are part of this local self-government are not legally educated. That's why they are not knowing their rights and responsibilities. That's why they could not perform their duty properly. And if someone tried their best to provide this legal education, then the second problem occurred, which is lack of autonomous funds. Village panchayats or local panchayati raj bodies have to dependent over state government and central government for funds. That's why they have to always remain under the influence of state and central government. Next, that is lack of infrastructure. We find that most of the village panchayats do not have adequate infrastructure. Even after the independence of more than 70 years, most of the village panchayats, or you can say secretariat of village panchayat, could not be what you call connected with internet facilities up to this time, which is what you call indicating the lack of infrastructure in this scenario. Along with it, lack of cooperation from provincial or central government officials and organizations. Here we find that these persons do not provide much cooperation or knowledge or rest of the things which is essential for the local self-government. Next, social and cultural diversity at local level, it's also creating most problem to these peoples, as in most of the cases we find that the people provide more importance to the religion, caste, creed, color, entire these things, and that's why the person which are having responsibility of running this local government could not perform their duty properly. Along with it, lack of security for elected representative. As in case of Jammu and Kashmir, we find that people could not participate in this local government body because those nominated themselves as the candidates may be killed by the terrorists. So such type of things could not happen because at local level certainly some of the problem, some of the persons created problem with these persons. As if we took a sight over what you called newspapers of forthcoming times, then we find that various persons from local bodies have been facing the severe attack problems, and there is no provision for protection of these persons. That's why they could not work independently or in a secure way. So thank you. I think I get discussed over all the possible points of this chapter, federalism, and if you have still remain some of the confusion with you, you could ask it to me in comment.